made it. We are in Planet Hollywood. We've just got here. So we thought we'd actually try and do a room tour this time. So let's walk around. Let's see what we've got. This is, I don't really know what this is. This is really spacious.
This is
First
the space.
thing we notice is when you walk in, you have loads of space. Dead space though. I think something could go here.
Yeah, this is, oh,
you know,
dead
it's
space.
Very big, very spacious, but I think they can make better use of the space. But let's keep going. So we come in. Should we do the room first? Should we do the bathroom?
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
You come through the door.
This is 100% the best part of the room. So we're staying in Planet Hollywood. We're staying in a king room.
We'll put the name in the description.
We'll put it in. I think it's the next level up. So I think there's one room down, basically. So it's slightly bigger, which might explain the space. And they've just not known what to do with it. Bathroom. Before we go in the bathroom, what did T say she was missing in Paris? Double sink. Let's see what we've got. Here we are. I don't know if you've shown, but the flooring in here is actually it feels really nice. Like it's just, yeah. The flooring feels nice. Basically.
Just to let you know, we don't normally wear our outdoor shoes in the bathroom at home, but since we were in a hotel.
So this is the bathroom. This is really nice. We've got separate sinks. His and hers, hers and his, whatever way around you want to do it. But the mirrors are really good. I love these mirrors, and I love that you can just keep, it's like one of those maze things, you see what I mean? It just keeps going. What else do we need to see? We've got a bathroom. Oh, this is a bathroom. Right, so we have the toilet in here. This looks quite dark.
Well, do you need light when you
When
use the toilet?
When you close the door, toilet, no. Well,
Does this one have a phone in it?
No phone in this toilet.
Can't call for help.
So, then shower. This shower looks really nice. Because I'm doing the tour, I'm not T. I'm going to do what I like to do. Just turn it on. Not too bad. Water pressure's alright.
I think it depends on how many people
It's
are
hot.
showering at the same
It's
time.
definitely hot. This is nice. I like this. I like that you have a bathtub and a separate shower.
Let's show them the bathtub.
Then, yes, this is nice. I like this. Anyone that likes a good bath, then I think this is for you. This is a decent bath. It's deep. It's going to be good. And I like the tiling. Overall, I just think this is really fresh.
Yeah.
It's all modern. I think it's been refurbed recently, Planet Hollywood, and that's how it feels. It feels a lot fresher. It feels nice. I like this. It's just clean. Good. Best part of the room for sure. Rest of the room. Let's go through. I think something that's noticeable about this room is that, like I say, it's a bit bare. So you have, before we go, cupboard with all your usuals, safe, iron. There is actually a mirror on the inside.
And this room did come with those Fat Tuesday cups, believe it or not.
Fat Tuesdays is optional. You have to bring those with you. It's not bad. Handles are a little bit wobbly though, I'll be honest.
Okay. Put that in was one of the cons.
And then you come through. This is, again, it's a really big room. Like we say, we went for a slightly different room because we wanted more space, but we didn't quite realise it was this much space. And it's really nice, fresh, clean, modern. Everything feels new. It just feels a bit bare. You know, it feels a little bit dark and a little bit bare. We've got a couple of photos up there, but I feel like, look,
Maybe if they put them on the other walls.
something on this wall, maybe on that wall. But here we have it. Let's see what's in the drawers. Everyone needs to know what's in the drawers. We have a fridge. Moment of truth, can we fill this fridge or is it a minibar? No, it's an empty fridge.
Is it on?
It is on. It's on normal. Yeah, it's on, it's cold. Anyway, so there we have the fridge. I really like it when you get a fridge because a lot of the hotels, especially the higher end hotels, they just fill it with a minibar.
Do you know what I noticed? We have a fridge but no minibar in this hotel.
Yeah.
No
But
snacks.
That's good because we want to fill it up with, you know, there's a lot of food out there. Right, so we have our own fridge. That's really good. You can put some water in there, whatever else. I'm probably going to fill it with cheese coke. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, empty drawers. So there is no minibar, which is very interesting.
What about in the drawers by the bedside?
You can call room service by the looks of it.
Yeah, you just won't know what you'll be getting.
Anything, there's a sun. And that drawer's empty as well, because I've already used it. So no minibar, that's interesting. Real big space, the TV's good size. We didn't pay for any specific view, so we've not got the best view.
You know sometimes where you will pay for the view, well you won't pay for the view and they'll still give you a nice view. No.
Not the case this time round. So this is where we are.
The backside.
And the bed. Final bit, the bed.
Moment of truth. Here we go.
Oh, that was quite hard. It's a firm bed, that's what it is. If we replay that and you see my neck bounce off the bed's slightly firm. I'm not sure.
That's fine, I'll be sleeping here.
It's a firm bed, but it's soft. I'll give them that once you actually lay on it. Pillows, any better? Yeah, I needed a pillow to land on it. So, there we go.
You did to that pillow. It looks a bit sorry for itself.
So again, Planet Hollywood is sort of in the mid-range tier, I'd probably say, of hotels. So it's something comparable to Paris. We're not going to do a comparison to Paris in this video. We might do it in a different video. But overall, again, I think you get what you pay for. It's good value for money, bang in the middle of the strip, not crazy expensive. But then when we compare it to Aria, there's no comparison, but you're paying the extra. So depends what you want. If you want value for money, comfort, centre of the strip, modern, this is your room. What do you think, T?
It's nice. I think that's been my response to everything.
Everything's nice, apparently.
It's nice. I'm just grateful to be here.
You know the difference, because like when we've been to Aria, we've been to Encore, and everything's done on an iPad. Here, we're back to the day. Moving with
That gives me motel vibes.
But no, this is good. This is actually what we need.
At least we can control the temperature.
This is our room tour of Planet Hollywood. Looks good. See you soon.